Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get true stretched res Valorant. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step is to go to the link that I will leave in the description and you will download this program. Download a little bit and click here. Once downloaded, unzip it. Well, the next step is to set the resolution you want to use on your PC, either from NVIDIA control panel or whatever. The resolution you have to set to make it look good stretched is 4:3. Once you have set the resolution you are going to use, open Valorant. Then go to Settings, Video, and set this to Windowed. This here, we put it in Fill. Apply. Now we will go to the folder, right-click on WinExp, Rus as admin. Here, we will go down until we find Valorant, click on it, then go to Style, and uncheck these two boxes. Then, go to Size and Position, and set this to Maximized. And that's it. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks!